Welcome back, and today we're going to have a look at how to voice activate shutting down your PC. Voice activation has become a part of life today. You know, we've got Amazon Alexa, we've got Google Assistant, whether it's on your phone or through something like a Google Home device. We've got smart switches that can turn lights on, off, and all sorts of different things. We've even got smart robot vacuums, smart air conditioners, smart this, smart that. But apparently our PC isn't very smart because we have to set that up ourselves. So I'm going to show you right now very quickly how to set up your PC so that by voice activation you can shut the thing down. Okay, so here we go. We've got Windows 10 running in a virtual machine to demonstrate how this works. So the first thing you need to do is go to iftritt.com. Okay, now this basically means if this then that. So it's basically a home automation website, but much more than that. It can link all sorts of things together: Dropbox, your BMW car, eBay, your lights, you name it. There's a whole bunch of things you can probably connect with this service. Okay, so you'll need to create an account. Keep in mind that IFTTT has just changed its terms and conditions. So now you're only allowed to have 3 applets. They used to be called recipes, but now they call them applets on the free account. And with that, you will need to go to another website, Assistant Computer Control, and you'll download the app. Okay, so you can see here I've already downloaded the app. I'm going to install it. Okay, so that was very quick and simple. Now what this does, this puts a little app on your computer. You'll see an icon here for it. There we go, down the bottom there. And all that does is it's going to look for a simple text file sent to the computer by IFTTT. The text file is going to contain whatever command you say. There's actually a variety of things you can do here. You can change your system volume, you can do a few other things as well. I'm just going to focus on shutting down the computer today because after all, IFTTT only allows 3 free applets now, so we don't want to use them all up. Okay. First thing you need to do is set up Assistant Computer Control. So we want to open on Startup, yes. Okay, and we want to go to Settings. Okay, you can put a computer name in here if you want to. I'm going to put Aloha Virtual Machine. Something funny there. Start with Windows, yeah, let's make sure that's checked. Check for updates, yes. All of this can remain the same. Advanced settings. Okay, now we need to save action folder. That's not going to be it. We need to actually set that up first. So what we're going to do is going to do the setup again. Okay. So the next step here is to choose your cloud service. They recommend Dropbox, but I'm already using that for my host PC. So I'm going to choose Google Drive. Proceed with Google Drive. All of that should be fine. I'll just click the next one. Sign up for it. I've already done that. Enable the applets I want, and so on. Okay. So we're now ready to go on this side of things, and it's going to listen for actions. Alright, so what we do now is we're going to go back to IFTTT. We're going to click on Explore, not Create. Okay, we're going to click on Explore. So we're going to go Assistant, Computer, Search, and here we go. here's our options here. Shut down computer Google Drive, lock computer Dropbox, shut down computer OneDrive. There's all the different options depending on your cloud services. These things are already designed, ready to go. So there's not much you have to do. I'm going to click on this one, shut down computer Google Drive. Okay. Connect. Choose my account. Allow. Okay, so now we're at the main page here where we can customize the applet. We can turn on notifications or off. It depends on what you want to happen. If you want alerts on your phone when this thing happens, we can click that on. Okay, for some reason it's not allowing me to do that right now. Okay, it might be because I'm inside a virtual machine. So what do you want to say? Turn off my computer, or what's another way to say it? Shut down my computer. Okay, these are all quite acceptable. In the case of my Star Trek themed workstation, I've gone for initiate shutdown, or actually, because that's after the wake up word, or you've got to remember all of these are after the wake up word or phrase. So if you're using Google, it'll be okay Google, or hello Google, or hey Google, turn off my computer. Okay, for me, if you're using Amazon Alexa, it'll be Alexa, turn off my computer. Or in my case, with Alexa, you can change the wake up word. So I chose the word computer because it fits my theme. So I say computer, initiate shutdown. And that's how I shut down my main PC. If you're wondering, I've got Alexa turned off right now so that it doesn't do this while I'm recording the video. I got caught out like that a couple of weeks ago doing a tutorial. Anyhow, all of these look fine. You can customize the phrases if you want to. And all is good. Changes are saved. There we go. So what's happened now, if we have a look in Google Drive, you'll see we now have a folder. Okay, Assistant Computer Control folder. So let us now test this out. Right, so I've had one successful test so far. If I go again, okay Google, turn off PC. I don't know if you can hear the audio response from my phone. Turn the volume up a bit more. Okay Google, turn off PC.
Turning off your computer.
So as you can see, there's a little bit of a delay for the file to be sent through and come through. And eventually it does happen. There we go, it's syncing. Again, there we go. I've had 3 successful tests. So continue, explore the software. So ideally now this will actually work. Okay, so let's give it a go. Okay Google, turn off PC.
Turning off your computer.
Okay, let's see if it happens. Naturally, there's a pause while we wait for the sync to happen, and there we go, shutting down now. So that's all there is to it. Just setting up IFTTT with Assistant Computer Control app, do a few tests, and off you go. You've got voice activated shutdown. So there we have it, voice activated shutdown with your computer. Now that's how I did it with Google. This is how I've done it on this PC workstation. Computer, initiate shutdown.
Working. Complete shutdown in progress.
And there we go, my computer is shutting down. But I've got more than just that script happening here. I've got a smart home switch into which both the monitors and the speaker unit are plugged, so that instead of just having one action happening, I've got a routine created inside Alexa, which is really easy to do. And in this routine, I've got the smart home switch switching off as well as the computer shutting down. So that's fantastic. By voice activation, whether you're doing it with Google or with Amazon, or in my case, customizing it for a Star Trek themed workstation, by simple voice activation, I can shut down my PC. But think about it. It only works while the machine's running. We can't use it to start up the computer. I mean, it'd be really cool, wouldn't it, to be able to say, computer, initiate startup.
Working. Powering up the workstation.
So that's brilliant, don't you think? I mean, voice activated startup. That's coming next time.